Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Polaris Office app review in order to explain if the app worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Polaris Office app is a full-featured mobile office suite offering document editing, spreadsheet, presentation and PDF support with a strong compatibility for Microsoft format. Reviewers appreciate its cross-platform access, clean design, and a built-in cloud synchronization. On the flip side of the app, the free version has a frequent ads and limited storage, and some user report glitches like saved failures or alignment issue. The subscription cost can also feel high compared to other alternatives. And in my opinion, if you need a mobile office app and you want a good format support and features, Polaris Office is worth using. But if budget or advanced editing is critical, you might want to elevate whether the limitation impact on your usage. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.